What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be kind of short and brief. I'm going to give you a video of my exhaust setup. Now, I know I did a video previously on my exhaust setup, but that was the multiple configurations I had and a little bit of the current one. So this video is just going to be all my current setup and why I like it so much. Now, I'll give you a flyby. I'm driving right now, so you can kind of hear it. I know I'm talking, but I'll give you another video of me just driving normally. And then I'll give you a little bit of revs at a standstill. It's hard to film on my own. So yeah. Give you an overview. I have RedStar Testpipes, JHM Baffled Downpipes into their high flow cat X pipe, then AWE touring exhaust out the back. It's really not that crazy, it's just expensive, that's all. But yeah, so enjoy the video and I'll see you guys on the next one. Lots of cracks and pops. And then coming up to a stop sign up here. So this is sport mode, E40, little acceleration. Nothing crazy. Normal driving around 2,000 RPMs. Before I had cats, right around this 2,000 RPM range, it was really drony, and then the rasp was unbelievable. But that really low, deep note that drone gives you was just, I mean, unbearable around 2,000 RPMs. And right now, I'm cruising at 2,000 RPMs in sport, and I can still talk quietly. There's little to no drone at all at this speed.